Crikey, we've been out here for hours. We got lost in the woods, me and my little ones, you see. And as you can see, let me stand up. As you can see, there's nothing but thick forest for as far as the eye can see. We may be out here all night, won't we, little ones? But we will survive. Wait, what's that? There, look, go that way. We found our way out. There we go, old chaps. There we go, old chaps. Man versus wild. And another day where man beats wild. And we got all of these fungi and herbs and plants filled with vitamins and minerals. We will survive, won't we? Say, we will survive.
We will survive.